Hey everyone, Mike Spears here with the Elite Group. I'm standing here with Master Certified Inspector Robbie Het for the Elite Group. Robbie, how many years have you been a home inspector?
28 with the Elite Group and 35 total.
35 years of being a home inspector, and I'm sure you ran into millions of defects, just like I've run into defects as well. We run into defects all the time, even homes that are in good condition. We run into defects all the time. Why do you think, what's the primary cause for most of the defects that we find?
Pretty simple, just lack of proper home maintenance.
Exactly, lack of home maintenance, and that's what I want to talk to everybody about today. The Elite Group provides all of our customers with a home maintenance guide. We do inspections for real estate transactions all the time, but we do thousands of inspections every year for just regular homeowners who own their home and want to get a better feel for what's wrong with the home and what needs to be maintained. So if you've been in your home 3 to 5 years and you haven't done any home maintenance on it, call the Elite Group, get a home inspection. We'll send out one of our professional inspectors that will fully evaluate your home, provide you with a conditional report that talks to you about the conditions of your home. It'll give you the photographs for your home and give you lots of suggestions, and you'll also get this maintenance guide. So definitely call the Elite Group. Robbie, do you have anything to add?
Yeah. If you want your house to take care of you, you also need to take care of your house. Plain and simple. So do your maintenance, have us out. We'll get you a full report itemized with pictures of the items, and
there you go. Excellent advice from an inspector who's got 35 years of looking at defects. So thanks a lot, guys. We hope to see you on your home maintenance inspection. Take care.